All right, Ferdinand the Bull. First time down, riding it a little blind. It's about 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, okay. And I can feel you all bouncing quite a bit on my chest, so I might stop and tighten up the GoPro here in a second. Woo! All right. Okay. This is an interesting trail. It's probably too much. There we go. Cool. Bit pedally. Real tight. Sorry about the brake noise. I'll correct for that right now. Straight line. Oh, this is fun. Little rock feature, a little tight. Oh, cool, little kicker. Right hand side. Oh man. All right, continuing on. Had to take my riding glasses off and tightened you guys up a little bit on the GoPro mount. Woo! Let's see. Let's try the black side. See what we got over here. Okay. Woo! Very nice. Very cool. Oh, this trail is so sick. Wow. This is a blind lap down, and I'm half-faced today because it's so hot. But I can't wait to really learn this trail. This is fun. Real tight. Love it. What do we got? Oh, I think we're back on Raging Tiger. There we are. Sweet. That was hilarious. Thanks, Evergreen.